So what's the holy trinity of natural, anabolic, steroid-like effects without any side effects negatively or detrimentally to your health? There's a holy trinity out there, guys, and the Never Enough Nutrition team have brought it to you, me being the team. We have got now KSM-66 Ashwagandha, la pièce de la résistance. It is banging. Put that with Fadogia agrestis, again, banging, and then add in the special secret ingredient, Tongkat Ali, baby, Tongkat Ali. Put those 3 bottles together in a little stack. You have got gold. Nectar of the muscle gods. Those 3 products are coming out hopefully this week, and we're going to do a little stack with those 3 products where we're going to put them all together. If you buy all 3, you will get a huge discount. Good to you guys. See you later, guys. Keep it happy. Bye bye.